Hey, what's going on guys? It's Alex here from Simple Mods and welcome back to another video. I've got another custom system to show you guys, and this one is nothing too complicated or over the top, and maybe something some of you can take inspiration from and build a similar system of your own. Now I am using the Cooler Master TD500 Crystal, and this is the mesh white version of the case. It's a really nice case as is, and only comes in at about 150 Australian dollars. This is for the ARGB version, which comes with 3 white ARGB fans in the front of the case. Now I didn't do anything too crazy, however I was excited to get to use the AMD Ryzen 9 3950X top of the line X570 CPU, which I'm very keen to use in a few more upcoming X570 case mods, so definitely stay tuned for that. And also some new goodies from Bitspower, which I haven't used for a while, including their new XYZ pump and reservoir combo. And while the name may not be too original, I do quite like the combo, as it is a little bit different from your more typical tube style pump res combos. It does have an RGB strip built in, which lights it up quite nicely, and unfortunately I wasn't able to water cool the graphics card as there are no water blocks available for the AORUS RX 5700 XT, at least at the time of filming this video. So in this case, the water cooled graphics card actually came a little bit too close to the Bitspower XYZ reservoir, so I wasn't able to use the built-in flow sensor chamber. Now they actually advertise this as a second chamber, so if you are doing a dual loop system and using different colored coolant, then I guess it would look pretty sweet combined with the Bitspower XYZ reservoir. Furthermore, for storage, I'm using 2 M.2s in this rig, both PCIe Gen 4, and these are the Seagate FireCuda 520 and the AORUS Gen 4 M.2 SSDs. Both pretty much top Gen 4 M.2 SSDs available at the moment, and both of them in 1TB capacity, so I'm pretty keen to see how both of these go in the system. Now, if you guys are interested in the full specs, make sure you check out the video description. Everything's going to be down there. Now, as far as the actual case mods, like I said, nothing too crazy was done, just some acrylic cover panels with a custom vinyl design that I got from CableMod. You would have seen me use similar printed vinyl in the Captain Marvel case mod, also the Logic InWin925 rig that I did. So if you guys want to get something similar of your own, add it to your rig. Depending on where you live, there are certain people or different services that you could use, such as TagMods in Australia and V1 Tech in the US. Furthermore, I like the design on the front of the TD500 mesh white, and I didn't want to do anything to change it, but I did want to add just a little bit of color. So the design that you can see on the front of the case was just simply done by coloring the bits in just with some paint pens, and yeah, it's very easily done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and before we get into the time lapse, I just want to say a huge thanks to AMD, AORUS, Bitspower, CableMod, Seagate, and of course, Cooler Master. Thanks a lot for tuning into this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, definitely drop us a like and subscribe if you want to see more. There will be a new case mod video up next week, so I'll see you then. Cheers.